Hey guys, what's up? Nick here. Today we're going to be looking at the Movo VXR10 Universal Cardoid microphone. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do so. Let's go ahead and get into it. This microphone was purchased on Amazon for roughly $45. It's comparable to the Rode VideoMic Go. It's really a cheaper alternative. They do have some differences, and I'll list them in the description below along with the link. So it comes with a manual, little quick start guide, how to use it with your phone, how to use it with the DSLR. Inside the box you have your shock mount, and this will install on the hot shoe on the top of your camera or your rig. This here is the audio cable. One straight side, one 90-degree angle side. And then the second option here is an adjustable or coil cable. Again, the 90 angle on one side and the straight on the other side. Also, we have a little pleather bag for storage. It's actually pretty nice. Feels good. Little drawstring on the top there. And inside is a very soft material as to not ruin or wreck anything. Pretty nice, and something I wasn't expecting to come with it, to be honest. And last but not least is the mic itself. With the windsock attached. Just pull the mic out. And there you have the mic. It's a little bit heavier than I thought. Now this is a cardio microphone, so it's going to pick up a little bit of the surrounding noise. It is not directional, so therefore it should pick up when I'm behind the camera and in front of the camera. There's that. And then the windscreen or windsock itself. So to recap, the mic itself, the shock mount for the mic, the two different cables, the directions, and then the bag it came with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.